How to set up a CAC reader or any CAC reader. So the one that I'm currently looking up right now is actually a PDF file of a random CAC reader. Now, for you to be able to get one and download a PDF file of a specific manual that is only for your certain CAC reader, then all you have to do is just to flip your CAC reader from the bottom part of that gadget that you have. So from the bottom part of your CAC reader, there is an actual serial code. So all you have to do is just to copy your serial code and then use your web browser. Now from your web browser, all you have to type in is the serial code of your CAC reader followed by the word driver. Now, once you search this up, so this is going to be the serial code on your CAC reader that is highlighted as blue, followed by the word driver. So once you look it up on Google, Google will provide results, and you'll just have to click those certain links, which is specifically from your CAC reader's serial number. Choose that, and you will be given a download link that is specifically a PDF file. So that's it. That's how you set up a CAC reader.